Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Drone Certification Scheme Notified. Recently, the central government has notified a drone certification scheme. The drone certification scheme was notified under Rule 7 of the Liberalized Drone Rules 2021. The scheme is applicable to indigenous drone manufacturers, assemblers, and importers. It will help in simpler, faster, and transparent type certification of drones. The objective of this certification scheme is to provide safety criteria and requirements for drones and evaluate their certification. The scheme is combined with the liberalized drone rules, airspace map, and the production linked incentive, that is PLI scheme. The government has formulated the Digital Sky platform for registration and operation of drones with an all-digital process. The users are required to complete a one-time registration for their drones, pilots, and owners. Manufacturers will have to provide certain details at the time of submitting an application for certification of a drone. These details include test data and results, weight specifications, type of launch, recovery mechanism installed, speed, etc. For every flight that a user wishes to embark in a yellow or red zone, they can request a permission to fly online. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.